Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard Partition swing door conversion kit. Let's get into it. All right, this is a kit that you will use to convert that center panel on your WeatherGuard steel partitions to a door. So it's essentially the door handle that allows you to convert a panel into a hinged door. Pretty simple unboxing. This is part number 96901-3-01. Just a few components in here. We do have some hardware. I'll get to that in a minute. Some more hardware here. Have a rubber gasket that's going to help cut down on noise so the door doesn't vibrate as you're going down the road. This also does include the hinges, so you're going to install the hinges and the door latch with this kit. And it looks like we do have a little one-pager here. This isn't the actual instructions, it's a QR code of the instructions. So if you're looking on how exactly to install this, you're going to use your phone, scan that code, and get the digital instructions. Nice thing about them being digital is sometimes they are in color. Usually not a big deal on something like this, but sometimes you're trying to install something, the color helps. In here we are going to have our actual door handle. It does come with 2 keys, so you can lock that door on the partition. There is a key code on it as well, in case you need to get a replacement. So you're going to have the other side of that handle in here as well. This looks like the latch, assuming this goes on here somehow, latches the door shut and all that. Then we're going to have a bunch of little small bolts, nuts, screws, and so forth to actually install the hinges and everything else on the door. So pretty simple kit here. There's also a set screw in here. Make sure you don't lose that for possibly engaging the handle on the little mechanism right there. So if you are looking for the partition or this hinge kit or any other thing to get your van or truck ready for it, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.